Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So we made the viral TikTok whipped coffee Dalgona coffee recipe based on the Korean sponge candy that has a toffee-like flavor to it. First, you'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar into a mixing bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Here we're using Nescafe Taster's Choice. Then add 2 tablespoons of water. Some use hot water. Then mix using an electric mixer. If not available, a hand whisk works just fine. It just takes longer. Keep mixing until the color turns into a lighter brown and it gets thicker.
What's the game your grandma's playing with you? Hello. Hi.
Once you get that thick whipped consistency, as you can see here, you can stop and prep your glass. Place ice cubes in your drink container, then pour cold milk of your choice to about 3/4 cup full. After that, top with the whipped coffee to your heart's desire. Mix, mix. And then finally, enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and hit the notification bell for future videos. Until next time, have courage and be kind.